Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to analyze Merck. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. Merck has a gigantic market cap of $275 billion. The current stock price is 107.98 while recording this video, and they operate in the pharmaceuticals industry. If we look back 10 years, we can see that Merck is about head and head with the S&P 500, and this is with the dividends reinvested. We can see that lately Merck has done great while the S&P has been dropping off quite a lot. Now for some financial data. The annual sales growth has been 5.1%. That's a check mark. And the earnings per share has actually been 28.2%. That's extremely impressive and far above the threshold, so that's also a check mark. And the analyst expects good earnings also ahead, 11.67%, that's a check mark. The return on capital is also very stable, 15%. And the debt compared to the free cash flow they are generating is quite low, only about 2 years. Now some yield data. The dividend yield is 2.5%. They are not buying back any shares. The payout ratio is 35%. And the dividend growth rate is about 9%. And they have been growing their dividend consecutively for 11 years. So we have a dividend score of actually 9 out of 10 points, which isn't bad at all, considering the only X is the buyback yield, which is insignificant almost. Now some valuation. Here we have Merck in fast graphs. We have 15 years of history and some projections out in the future. The orange line is the earnings per share. And as we can see, it's an extremely stable and reliable company. Same goes for their dividend, which after 2011 is steadily increasing. To the bottom right, we can also see that this is actually an A+ credit rated company. And top right, we can see that their annual earnings growth is almost 8%, which is in line with S&P 500 over this period. If we plot the normal PE for the company, we can see that it's fairly close to 15, and the current price, we can see that it has been undervalued for quite some time, but had a nice spike upward and is now trading at fair valuation. So if we project out to late 2024, we can actually see an annual rate of return of about 11%. Let's also check if the analysts actually are good at estimating Merck. And here we can see that it's actually very easy to estimate Merck's earnings, as there are 0% beats and 92% hits on their estimations and only 8% miss. Please hit the like button and also watch one of my latest videos where I reviewed a subscriber portfolio. See you soon!